With regards to any sort of treatment, I would always recommend you come in for a full checkup and a consultation to make sure everything's nice and healthy before we start. We can address the concerns of the patient, ask you where you feel like you're less confident on or where you feel like you need more improvement. What I find a lot of people tend to ask for is plumper lips and they want a bit more confidence, but if it's their first course of treatment or if they've never had fillers before, I do try and make it look a bit more natural so then when they leave here it's not very obvious that they've had any treatment done and they can gradually build up on it. A lot of people are worried about how it'll feel, whether it will be painful, but we do use a generous amount of topical anaesthetic to make sure it's as comfortable as possible, and I think people are quite surprised in that. We do offer quite a variety of different treatment. I personally use two different systems of filler. We've got the Juvederm Ultra range, which normally lasts about 6 to 9 months, and we've got the Vicross range, which I specifically used in Charlotte's case. The Vicross range lasts about 12 to 18 months.
As you can see, these are the before and after photos of Charlotte after she's had the lip fillers done. Now, she wanted to focus more on the fine lines that you can see around her lip, as well as plumping up her top lip a little bit more and help balance out with the lower lip as well. Now, as you can see by looking at the after photos, when she's pouting, you can see that the fine lines have completely gone away. Her top lip is quite a bit plumper and we've managed to balance it out with her bottom lip as well, so you can see it's got a nice result and you can see the difference of the fine lines on her top lip as well.
Feel great, really pleased with it, really pleased with the results. It looks natural, which is one of the things I was a little bit concerned about, it looking a bit over the top, but it doesn't. I found my dentist really professional, the care and treatment's been brilliant, they've been really reassuring, they've explained the procedure really well, which I found good because I was a bit nervous about it in the beginning, but they really put my nerves at ease, so yeah, I've been really pleased.